multidimensional personality.
Introduction to Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, rahmatullahi alayhi. His name is Ahmad Raza and his most famous title is Ala Hazrat. He was born in a locality of Bareilly called Jasuli on Saturday 10th Shawwalul Mukarram 1272 Hijri at the time of Dhuhr, corresponding to June 14, 1856. At the age of 4.5, he had the honor of completing Nazira, reciting the Holy Quran by looking. At the age of 6, in the blessed month of Rabi'ul Awwal, he took to the stage and delivered an inspiring speech on the topic of Mawlidun Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam in front of a large congregation and received accolades and appreciation from Islamic scholars and religious leaders. He rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi wrote valuable books on approximately 50 subjects. When he was just 13 years, 10 months and 4 days old, he finished learning all conventional sciences from his respected father, Maulana Naqi Ali Khan alayhi rahmatullahi al-Mannan. At the age of 13, he rahmatullahi alayhi wrote his first decree, fatwa, answering a question. His respected father, rahimahullah, found the decree to be correct and bestowed the chair of ifta upon him. Until his passing, he kept writing fatwa, decrees. He rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said, some people who are unaware add Hafiz before my name. I am not deserving of this title. So he began memorizing the Quran from that day onwards. Now the duration of his memorization was from after performing the wudu of Isha Salah, and he would continue memorizing until the Jama'at began. And he used to memorize one para daily, one part daily. Eventually he memorized all 30 parts in just 30 days. Ala Hazrat Ali Rahma was an epitome of devotion to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His poetry, Hadaiq-e Bakhshish, is a testimony to his love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He rahmatullahi alayhi wrote approximately 1,000 books on various topics, and Fatawa Razawiyya is his most amazing masterpiece, a collection of fatawa attributed to him. It's available in 30 volumes and the total pages are 21,656 and the total number of questions and answers are 6,847. The total books in this collection are 206. On Friday 25th Safar al-Muzaffar 1340 Hijri, corresponding to October 28, 1921, 2:38 according to the local time of India and 2:08 p.m. according to the local time of Pakistan, he passed away at the time of Jumu'ah Adhan. The elite, dignitaries and the public visit his blessed shrine, which is located in Bareilly Sharif.